Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So you can clearly see that in Nifty it opens gap down and it tries to closes below 70,500 and also it goes around 70,400 and it immediately took support from that level and right now it trades around 70,650. So if you count its Nifty's high and low, then it will be around say, 300 point, which is more than enough for Nifty to trade in a range. So if tomorrow market opens gap up and if it trades above 17,700, then you can expect some buying pressure here and target will be around 17,800 to 17,850 for taking any kind of selling trade. If it opens gap up, flat or open gap down, any kind of opening, and if it shows any kind of negative movement with some large volume, then we can take trade for selling. So now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see that today market opens gap down and it try to closes below that 70,500 level and it made low around 17,450 and after that it immediately took support from that level and it made high around 70,700. But after that in the first 15 minute and after that it goes the selling pressure, shows some selling pressure here and it made low around 7,400 and in the last half an hour it shows some positive movement and right now it trades around 7,650. So my suggestion would be let it closes above 17,700 for taking any kind of buying trade because it took immediate resistance from that 17,700 level. So it need to closes above that for taking any kind of or showing any kind of positive movement and our target will be around 17,800 first. Next target we can set to 17,870 and if it opens gap up around 17,800 or 17,850 and shows any kind of negative movement here or if it shows any kind of selling pressure at that high price, then you can also take trade for selling and target we can set around 7,700 to 70,600 around level and it may be happen that it opens gap down, so it needs to closes below 70,500 for taking any kind of selling trade because it took support from that level and it need to closes below that swing for taking any kind of selling trade. So if it opens gap down and if it trades below that 70,500, then you can expect some selling pressure here and target will be 70,400 first. Next target you can do 70,300. So now let's look into Bank Nifty in one day candle chart. In Bank Nifty, it also made similar kind of pattern as Nifty and it also open gap down and try to closes below 39,500 but it did not sustain there and it trades around 40,400 level. So in one day candle chart it looks positive to me, but it may be happen that it took support from that 40,000 level. If tomorrow market opens gap down and if it shows any kind of movement or if it shows any kind of negative movement below 40,000 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here and target we can set to 39,500. So now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 15-minute candle it also act as similar as Nifty. It opens gap down and closes below that 39,700 or 650. Then after that it immediately took support from that and it took resistance from that 40,750 and it made low around 39,500, which is almost 1,300 point. But at the end it shows some positive movement here. So my suggestion would be let it closes above 70,700 750 for taking any kind of trade. If it opens flat and it closes before that, then you can expect some buying pressure here and target will be around 40,000 round level first. Next target we can set to 41,080 round level first. Next target we can set to 41,080 and third target will be 14,250. So if it opens gap up around 41,000 level or 40,900 level and shows any kind of negative movement there, then you can also take trade for selling and target will be around 40,700. And for taking any kind of selling trade, it needs to closes below round level 40,000 because previously it act as a support level, so it need to closes below that swing for taking any kind of selling trade. And also that 40,000 round level act as psychology support level, so it needs to closes below that for taking any kind of selling trade. That's all about today guys, and if you like the video please share it and subscribe my channel. Let's meet tomorrow.